more batch of heavy rain coming through. Basically right now, this cell does have a bit of a gust front to it, so on the front leading edge of this, there could be wind gusts of 40 to 60 miles an hour. And yeah, here comes this last band of heavy rain pushing through the area. Did have a little bit of thunder and lightning with this cell. There is still a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Fairfield County. I think parts of Fairfield County, yeah. Storm is pretty intense right now. There has been a good amount of rain coming, and there has been some winds that have gusted up to 60 miles an hour in Fairfield County. In Fairfield County, Connecticut. We are in Hartford County right now as a cell pushes, as it pushes east at almost 60 miles an hour. So this is a pretty fast-moving cell right now. So yeah, as we wait for this last heavy band of rain moving through, this is basically the rest. Probably some a little bit of wind for this, maybe 10 to 25 miles an hour. But yeah, there is also a good amount of rain right now. There have been a bunch of puddles in the streets, but yeah, and here it comes. Yep, this is it. As this edge creeps towards this way, I will be putting something on screen right now. This last batch of heavy rain right on us right now. It's really not that heavy. The heaviest has moved out, and yeah, so that's basically it for this first episode of Storm Chasing. It was not the one that I really wanted to do, but chase everything, keep chasing. So we'll be chasing hopefully every storm if all goes to plan, except for the ones that are during the nighttime hours. So those are one of the most dangerous because you can't really see. So, that'll be it. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Stay safe out there, guys.